समस्त को वन शॉट एमसीक्यू यूट्यूब चैनल स्वागत। यही वीडियो रे आज आम 60 एमसीक्यू माध्यम हिस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर ड्यूरिंग मौर्य एज, गुप्ता एज एंड कुषाण एज रो 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। 20 क्वेश्चन एटार रहिबो, गुप्ता एज रो 20 रहिबो आ कुषाण एज रो 20 रहिबो। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि, सेटु जाई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। चालंतो मौर्य एज रो 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the Mauryan period is best known for which type of art? The right answer is option number A, rock cut architecture. Question number 2, the famous lion capital at Sarnath was built during the region of which Mauryan ruler? The right answer is option C, Ashoka. Question number 3, the lion capital of Ashoka has how many lions? The right answer is option number C, 4. Question number 4, which symbol is found on the abacus of the Sarnath lion capital? The right answer is option number A, bull, horse, lion, elephant. Question number 5, the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is now the emblem of. The right answer is option number B, India. Question number 6, which Mauryan ruler is created for developing the stupa architecture? The right answer is option number C, Ashoka. Question number 7, the great stupa at Sanchi was originally built by. The right answer is option number A, Ashoka. Question number 8, the polished stone pillar of the Mauryan age are mainly made of. The right answer is option number B. Right answer is option number C, Chunar sandstone. Question number 9, the Mauryan policy on stone gave it a texture similar to. Right answer is option number B, mirror. Question number 10, which pillar inscription is associated with the conversion of Ashoka to Buddhism? The right answer is option number A, Lumbini pillar inscription. Question number 11, the earliest rock cut cave of the Mauryan pillar were donated to which sect? The right answer is option number C, Ajivika. Question number 12, the Barbara cave is Bihar were associated with which sect during the Mauryan period? The right answer is option number C, Ajivikas. Question number 13, which Mauryan ruler donated the Barbara cave to the Ajivikas? The right answer is option number C, Dasaratha. Question number 14, the Sudama cave of Barbara hill was dedicated to. The right answer is option number B, Ajivikas. Question number 15, which is the oldest serving stupa in India? The right answer is option number C, Sanchi stupa. Question number 16, which material was primarily used in Maurya art? The right answer is option number C, stone. Question number 17, the Mauryan period marks the beginning of which type of sculpture? The right answer is option number A, stone sculpture. Question number 18, the Didiraganj Yakshi is an example of. The right answer is option number B, Mauryan stone sculpture. Question number 19, the Ashokan pillar are usually carved with. The right answer is option number B, animal figures. Question number 20, Which characteristic feature define Morio art? The right answer is option number B. Polished surface. तो बर्तमान गुप्ता एज रो 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. The Gupta period is often called the golden age of which field of Indian culture? The right answer is option number A. Literature and art. Question number 22. Which cave temple in Madhya Pradesh are attributed to the Gupta period? The right answer is option number C. Udayagiri cave. Question number 23. The famous iron pillar art at Mohoruli near Qutub Minar belong to which ruler period? The right answer is option number C. Chandragupta Ditya. Question number 24. Which feature is prominent in Gupta temple architecture? The right answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 25. The Dasavatara temple at Deoghar is dedicated to which deity? The right answer is option number A. Vishnu. Question number 26. Which Gupta ruler was a great patron of architecture and built Udayagiri caves? The right answer is option number C. Chandragupta Ditya. Question number 27. Ajanta cave reached their peak of fatiguing during the which period? The right answer is option number B. Gupta period. Question number 28. The Gupta period is created with the beginning of which type of freestanding temples? The right answer is option number B. Stone temples. Question number 29. Which Gupta temple is regarded as one of the earliest surviving Hindu stone temple? The right answer is option number A. Dasavatara temple, Deoghar. Question number 30. Which temple is known as the earliest extant brick temple of the Gupta period? The right answer is option number A. Bhitargaon temple. Question number 31. The Gupta period sculpture is marked by. The right answer is option number A. Graceful body and spiritual expression. Question number 32. The Buddha image at Sarnath of Gupta period are famous for. The right answer is option number A. Roof show with transparency. Question number 33. The Bhumi Purusha mudra and of Buddha represent. The right answer is option number A. Enlightenment. Question number 34. The seated Buddha of Gupta period at Sarnath is shown with which mudra? The right answer is option number B. Dharma Chakra mudra. Question number 35. The image of Vishnu with 4 arms and ornament appear in which Gupta temple? The right answer is option number B. Dasavatara temple, Deoghar. Question number 36. The painting of Ajanta cave during Gupta period mainly depict. The right answer is option number A. Jataka tales. Question number 37. Which material became widely used in Gupta age for coin making? The right answer is option number C. Gold. Question number 38. The Gupta style of art reached Southeast Asia mainly through. The right answer is option number A. Trade. Question number 39. Which Gupta temple has a flat roof and square sanctum? without Shikhara. The right answer is option number A, Tigua temple. Question number 40. The Gupta art is mainly characterized by. The right answer is option number B, spirituality and ideal beauty. तो वर्तमान कुषाण एज रो 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. The Kushana period is especially known for the development of which school of art? The right answer is option number A, Gandhara School of Art. Question number 42. The Gandhara art of the Kushana was influenced mainly by which culture? The right answer is option number B, Greek culture. Question number 43. Which ruler is considered the greatest patron of Gandhara art? The right answer is option number B, Kanishka. Question number 44. The Gandhara art represents which style of Buddha image? The right answer is option number B, Hellenistic and realistic. Question number 45. The Mathura school of art flourished during the reign of which dynasty? The right answer is option number A, Kushana. Question number 46. The typical feature of Mathura art is the use of which stone? The right answer is option number B, red sandstone. Question number 47. Which Buddha image considered the earliest human from during Kushana age? The right answer is option number A, Gandhara Buddha. Question number 48. Which two art schools are considered the main contribution of the Kushana? The right answer is option number A, Gandhara and Mathura. Question number 49. Which artist element was introduced in Gandhara sculpture? The right answer is option number B, realistic drapery folds. Question number 50. The famous statue of Kanishka without head is found at which city? Which site? The right answer is option number C, Peshawar. Question number 51. Which Buddha stupa image was common in Gandhara art? The right answer is option number C, Maitreya. Question number 52. The Kushana period art was mainly related to which religion? The right answer is option number C, Buddhism. Question number 53. The Gandhara art represents Buddha in which physical features? The right answer is option number B, Greco-Roman feature. Question number 54. Which site is famous for a colossal statue of standing Buddha in Gandhara style? The right answer is option number A, Bamiyan. Question number 55. The Mathura school represents Buddha in which manner? The right answer is option number B. Question number 56. The Kushana issued coin which often depict which deity? The right answer is option number A, Shiva. Question number 57. Gandhara art is also known as the fusion of which two styles? The right answer is option number A, India and Greek. Question number 58. Which material was commonly used in Gandhara sculpture? The right answer is option number A, blue grey cyst. Question number 59. The Gandhara and Mathura schools together represent which stage of Buddha's art? The right answer is option number B, Mayan image worship. Question number 60. Which site has yielded a large number of Mathura style sculpture? The right answer is option number A, Mathura. वीडियोटी भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करिवो एमिति सिलेबस वाइज वीडियो देखिया पई तो यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करबा पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिছে सेठु जाई डाउनलोड करि परिवो रहिली जय जगन्नाथ।